Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to try and fix this old Majorette Citroen Acadian. I found it in a local flea market and it is in a fairly good condition, although someone tried to paint it once. How to say, it is a very basic kind of a skill that this guy had, and I will try to make it better than it is now. If you're a fan of diecast cars from the 80s, you probably know that this car, like other Majorette cars from the 80s, had a metal base as a standard piece and open features like these doors at the back, and also suspension. And today you will not find these features anymore unless you will pay extra money. I guess that is how it is today. There's something rattling at the back. It is a marble that someone shoved inside the doors, and I will pull it out right now after I will drill this base out. And finally we have the marble. I have to say that I didn't like playing with marbles when I was a kid. I saw other kids play with them and I had no interest about them or whatsoever. I was just playing with cars when I was a young kid. I'm not too sure about these stickers. I can assume that they are original. It is the French Postal Service logo. I thought that maybe I could replicate them. This one is original as well. It is a water decal, but I have to remove them because I want to renew the paint. I'm trying to figure out what kind of paint this guy was using in order to try and fix this car's chipped paint. I think it is acrylic, but I'm not too sure. At this point I will try to keep all these parts inside this plastic bag. There are some small doors here that I don't want to lose, so I'm keeping all these parts together because they belong to the same car, obviously. I'm not too sure about the paint scheme that I will use. Maybe it's going to be just yellow. Something is missing. Oh, here's the base. Okay, everything is closed, and I will put this aside, and I will decide what to do with the body. Off camera, after removing the paint from this body, I decided to go with the regular yellow. Now I'm just going to assemble this car. It is not too complicated, just the doors at the back. And here's the plastic part. The doors are in the right place. And now for the base. And here's your new paint scheme and new refreshed car. Now let me just close the base back together. Okay, it is looking very good. After a second thought, looking at this car, I think that it is too boring. I need to do something else with it. So maybe I will just remove the paint once again and try to figure out what kind of style it should look like. Well, back to our little working bench. Well, now you can see there's a major difference between the car it used to be and what it is now. I've built a roof rack and it is now attached by this magnet to this car's body. Now I'm going to add some weathering effects and a few extra parts that will make this car look as if it is just crossed the Sahara Desert. I'm going to open the windows as well. Now I'm going to use my acrylic paints in order to create something that will look as if this car is covered with dust. And the final touch will be some accessories on the roof. So I've created this tiny little gas tank made of wooden stick, and as you see, it is a nice addition to my roof rack. Now let's have a look on the completed car. And here it is, as I promised, covered with dust, with some racing numbers on each side of the doors and also on the engine cover. There are some accessories on the roof, like this spare wheel and also the gas tank. Of course, if you wish to remove the roof rack, you can do so. It is magnetized to the roof by a magnet from the inside, as you saw earlier. Well, I'm pretty sure that some of you guys might not like the changes that I've made to this Citroen, but it fits this collection of desert racing cars that I've made. This nice Renault 4 and this orange Citroen. And it is nice set that I can now display on my shelf. Okay, so that will be it for today. I will leave you now with my little collection here, and I want to welcome all new subscribers for this channel, and I will see you soon on my next video. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye.